Okay, so I know I said that I wasn't going to upgrade to the Galaxy Z Fold 4, but the Z Fold 3 screen went crazy on me, so they decided to send me the Galaxy Z Fold 4. Let's check it out. So straight inside the box, you got your black USB Type-C cable, you got your quick start guide, and your SIM card. This is the AT&T version. You also have your SIM card remover. And voila! You have your Galaxy Z Fold 4. Let's do the very satisfying peel. And there you go, my friend. Now, come back to my next video and I'm going to tell you what I think about it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you then.